Hello crafty friends, it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing days 5, 6, 7, and 8 from the Santa Hat 12-day Advent calendar swap hosted by Cathy and Tree. And so if you already are following me, you know I opened 1 through 4. And so today is going to be 5 through 8. So I just wanted to share. These are the gifts that she sent. I took this out of the packaging because it makes a lot of noise, but this is actually number 5 here, okay? So I just already have that out of the package. So let me go ahead and let's open number 5. And I love this box. This is really cute. I don't think I've seen this before. I love that. Oh, and look, it's a whole bunch of beads. All kind of beads. Look at that. Oops. A whole bunch of beads in here. That's awesome. So I love the colors. They're like white, pearl, pinks, iridescent, wooden. I was going to take out some. So, yeah, so there's a bunch of beads in here. A lot of beads. Thank you so much. So that's number 5. And then this is number 6 here. I'm going to take this. I'm saving the numbers because these numbers are cute. And so I can always reuse this. So that's number 6. Let me go ahead and open this. Let's see. What's in number 6? Okay, so number 6, we have embellishments. Oh, look at that. That is so cute. So this is the kscraft penguins. Super cute. I have this set and I just love them so much. They did a real good job with this die. I really love that. And then here, look at that. These are tickets. And she embellished them with like these puffy stickers. And some banners and flags behind there. And look at that cute polar bear, Christmas bear. That is so cute. So these are the embellishments. So this I think was the requirement because we did have to send some handmade embellishments. This here is number 8. So let me see here. I can take it off like this, I think. All right. Oh no, I'm going wrong. This is 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7, and 8. I can't count. All right, so this is number 7. I'm going to save this number here. Oh, look at that pretty poinsettia. I'm going to try to save this too. Do y'all try to save, you know, your what you can from like packaging and things so you can reuse it? I try to. You know, we can always try to reuse things. So I wasn't so good about this doily, but everything else can maybe be reused. So I'm going to keep that as well. And let's see here. So Cathy and Tree hosted this swap. And yeah, so I've been having a lot of fun opening my gifts and, you know, checking out what the other ladies are doing as well, or what they received. So it's super fun. All right, so let's see here. Sorry about that. So I'm going to use my scissors here. Oh, this is a sock. Okay, so this is another requirement. We're to send our partner a pair of socks or mittens. And so she sent me, oh, this is so cute. These are mucklucks. Super soft and cozy and warm socks here. And also this came with, this is a warmer for your drink, for your cup. That's so cute. And I also got a latte, a vanilla bean double shot caffeine mix, which I'll definitely give this to my husband because I can't drink anything with caffeine. So he'll love that. But I do love this set. Thank you so much, Cathy. So if y'all, I'm sorry, I probably didn't mention, because I mentioned it in my first video on opening. Cathy is my partner. She was my partner, so she's the one who sent me all these wonderful goodies. Oh, look at this. So this must be the cookies. Okay. So we were to make 4 handmade cookies. Okay. So let's see here. So these are the cookies she made. So she made, these are made out of foam. So 2 gingerbread men. And this is made of paper here. And these are 2 cute little deers. One in light pink and hot pink, and one in pink on, or white on pink. This here, let's see if I can just try to open this. Let's see. So you can actually see all the different designs, right? Okay. These 2 sweaters here are made out of foam. And these cute little hearts. These cute little cookie hearts. Dimensional, super cute. And then there's something else in here. So let's see. Oh, how cute. Look at that. So this is the sweet treat. So this is a Russell Stover. She gave me like $1 million. Thank you so much. Wish I could use this, and I'll buy a bunch of craft supplies. So yeah, this is I can't tell. Am I missing it? Oh, here, solid milk chocolate bar. So I'm definitely gonna have that. Yep. So this is what I received for days 5 through 8. Thank you so much, Cathy. Thank you. You're definitely building my stash, because I'm going to definitely keep these, and these will definitely come to good use. All these cookies and embellishments, and these cozy socks will definitely be used, and this is going to be gone in no time. And the beads. Thank you so much. So stay tuned, because tomorrow will be the remaining 4, which will be 9 through 12. You all have a great day. Happy crafting. Bye.